Beetle Volkswagen 2000 model, 2001, AC not working or compressor not engaged. So we proceed to the troubleshooting. First, look to the blower switch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If all working, it means the positive inside going to the switch. So the switch will on, it will engage and going to number 8 here, blue red. So number 8 is here, and this is the cooling fan control module. So there's numbering here. There's numbering. Okay, so what I mentioned, number 8, right? Blue red. See here, blue red. These are blue red. Okay, this blue red, number 8. So here, number 8, blue red AC switch. So that is a positive one. So the diagram is here. Okay, it's very clear here. So the positive share with blower switch, it's highlighted in yellow. Okay, just follow. So it's follow here, going to here. Okay, what is fuse here? 25, I think. Okay, this one. So we follow here and going to blower switch. It's here. So going to switch and going to computer, the cooling fan control module. Okay, so we check the what is T4. T4 is here. Okay, this number 1 is the T4. There's numbering also. Okay, this number 1, right, on the 6, what is that, 9 o'clock here, 9 o'clock. Okay, it's number 1, and number 2 is number 2. It's number 2, number 3, and number 4. So this is it. So here the diagram. Okay, number, this number 1, this number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. That is T4. Okay, so number 1 connect to the high of motor, this coolant fan and radiator motor. Okay, so this is the one. So cooling fan here, but cooling fan is controlled by it's like a thermal switch. Okay, so this is the low when on switch. So I think this one, when it connected, that is pulled up. Okay, so when not contact, it means 0 volt. If it contact, that is 12 volt. That is the pull up, going to engine coolant control module. Okay, so that is red yellow. What is red yellow? It's number 7. So number 7. So I didn't mention here 7. that is the pull up. Okay, and okay, number three is green, 11 volts. Number four, fuse, red gray is number 4 here. Okay, it's number 4 here. Going to control panel, control module. Number 5, blue red. Okay, here number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Red gray. Okay, that is a positive. Red gray. Where is it? Oh, here. Where is it? Red, yellow. Here is different. So brown black here, that is negative with arrow. It's same here. Okay, this is negative. Connect from the chassis. This is it here. So thermal switch, there's low and this high. Okay, so you know the resistor is here, blower resistor. If one cut here, it means one speed is not working. One speed only working. I know that I give you only the idea how to diagnose the Beetle Volkswagen. Okay, so this control module. Okay, this control module is here. So it is shared with the Volkswagen and Audi. The switch. So I think it's but when you open, it's not complicated. You can dismantle. Okay, and this switch is the main problem is the contact. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is not working. So AC also is not working. There is one contact is missing. So this is the pressure switch. Okay, pressure switch, 3-pin. That is control duty. The terminal number 2. Here, terminal number 2. This one. Terminal number 2. Okay, here. Terminal number 2. It's a mention. I've written already here also. So you can see clearly. It's number 2. So number 2 is here, white. And what I mentioned here, that is AC signal pressure switch. If over 80%, that is compressor not working, or the pressure switch is not working. Below 10%, the pressure switch is not working. So number 4 is red gray, positive. 6 brown black. This number 7 red yellow that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so here number 13. Okay, this is a reference voltage for wide open throttle. 13. 9 again is positive. Green black is a compressor. Okay, so I give you idea how to check the compressor. Okay, when you put the positive is number 10. Okay, you must remove this connector. Okay, must remove and put the positive direct to the number 10. Okay, where is number 10 here? Okay, here. That is green black. Okay, green black. You know, when you direct here, uh, this one, number 10, you will hear the clicking sound of the clutch disc of the compressor. So it means it's working. Continuity, no need to check because it's already work. Okay. Yeah. So what else? This is a T14, huh? Connector T14. I think number 12 is unused, and number 1 here, number 1 unused, and number 12 brown white. What is the brown white? Okay. So this also is a complete. It will confuse you because it's not. There's no numbering here. Okay. So just follow only the wiring diagram, wiring itself through this connector. So number 2, press switch. Number 1. So the good things here, here is all even, and this is odd number. Other side, 214. You see here is empty. See number 13. Okay, number 12. Or 12. 12 and 1. So what else? So this is the blower motor. Uh, it's negative. The arrow. This is the old model. So it's here. Mentioned here. T1 power out to coolant pan high speed. T4 number 2 power out coolant pan medium speed. And T4 number 3 is pump use. Power and pump is a relay. Fuse 19. Power and pump battery fuse. T4. So just follow this line because this one is an old model, I think. Okay, it's old model. So this is I think correct diagram. Okay, just follow the diagram, and you can get the problem solved. This green, that is a wide open throttle, and AC cutoff switch. AC cutoff switch here. Okay, AC cutoff switch. This one. It's there's one like a sensor here. So what else? So you can diagnose now the AC of Beetle 2000 and 2001 model. This Audi also share the spare parts like Kia and Hyundai. Same spare parts, same engine, same transmission. Okay, that's it.